everybody! I'm here today to show you how to fold a towel like a hotel. This is the easiest tutorial that you will find for doing this, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, I have a towel right here. This will work with any size towel that you have, okay? So I have a towel right here. It's a rectangular shape. It needs to be a rectangle. You're gonna start off by getting the top left corner, and you wanna bring it down just like this, okay? It doesn't really matter what side the tag is on. It doesn't really play a big role. So you can sort of do it anyway. But from the top left corner, we're bringing it down so these two edges line up together, okay? This edge and this edge right over here. Just like that. Okay, I'm gonna move it so that it's sort of centered on the camera. Now we have this new corner up here at the top. We're gonna take this, we're gonna fold it down so that this edge up here lines up with this edge down here. So we're taking this, just like that, lining it up like that. Now we have this interesting shape like this, okay? You can see we have this interesting shape like that. We're gonna take this, we're gonna flip it over. So grab it like this so you don't lose the corners. Flip it over like that, okay? Make sure it's nice and straight, just like that. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it and we're gonna roll up the towel from the flat side over here. Roll it up nice and tightly, just like that. So fold it at the beginning, roll it up nice and tightly. It's gonna look awesome when you're done. It's even better if you have a patterned towel or a towel with a design. It looks incredible. Make sure if your tag is on the outside now, make sure you sort of tuck it in like that. Continue rolling it, and when you get to the end here, you can see that we have this little edge left over. We're gonna tuck this in right over here, just like that. So as you can see, that is what it looks like. Very simple design. It has this nice little peak in the middle. Really easy to do, and it looks awesome. And it looks even better if you have a bigger towel or one with multiple colors. It's harder to see with a dark towel like this. We're gonna do it one more time, a little bit faster. Okay, this time I'm gonna put the tag on the upper side. So you see what it looks like in that way. So the tag is on the upper side now. So once again, lay it out nice and flat. Take your top left corner, bring it down. Sorry about that. We're gonna start again. Take your top left corner, bring it down just like that, okay? I'm gonna move this to straighten it out. Make sure it's nice and flat. Take your top corner towards the middle right now. Bring it down just like this, okay? Take your towel, flip it over carefully so you don't lose your folds, just like that, and then roll it up. So roll it up, you wanna start off by rolling it up nice and tightly, okay? Really nice tight roll is the key factor for having a nice hotel and spa-like towel, okay? The tighter that your roll is, the better that it's gonna look in the end. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you want it to be nice and tight. Take your little corner right over here, tuck it in just like that, okay? What you're left with is this right here. Very simple design, really easy to use, just like that. And that's basically it. That is how to fold a towel like a hotel. Very easy tutorial. It can look like this, which is like how a hotel or a spa would have their towels folded and rolled up. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.